Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to use side key in Samsung Galaxy A72. Let's have a look. First, from Samsung home screen, swipe up to access app screen. Then tap Settings app. Scroll down little bit and tap Advanced features. Tap Side key. By default, double press on side key, it will quick launch camera. Let's double press on side key. Camera launched. You can change double press side key settings. You can select open Bixby or quick switch to secure folder, or you can select open app. Tap open app and select app from app list. I have selected Twitter app. Now, when I double press on side button, it will open Twitter app. Similarly, you can use Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp or other app. The second option is press and hold. By default, if you press and hold on side button, it will open Wake Bixby. Select power off menu. Now, when you press and hold on side button, it will open power off menu. So, using power off menu, you can reboot power of your phone. That's it. These are the steps to enable and use side key on Samsung Galaxy A72. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.